pupunta ka sa storage room. May mga bagay ka na aabutan doon. Gusto ko, suotin mo yun ng mabilis.
Nang makapagbihis si Yong, bumalik siya ng confession room.
Tanyo.
Yes?
In a few moments, you will meet your twin brother.
As you have.
How do you feel about it?
Excited.
Why?
Because the twin, because my twin and me are you and Sam. Me and twin.
Okay, Tanyo.
Hey, brother. Hello, brother. I miss you. I miss you, brother. I miss you.
That's so funny.
Yes, yeah. He's my brother.
Tanner, I want you to meet your twin brother. Tanyo, why are you two laughing?
Because happy.
Tanner,
Yes, Kuya.
what can you say about your twin?
He's changed just a little bit since I've seen him last.
Are you excited?
Super.
Yes, thank you, brother. Thank you. Bye.
Paglabas ng confession room, agad na pinakilala ni Tanner ang di umano'y kakambal sa housemates.
Oh my gosh! Hello! My name is Tanyong. Tanyong. Yes, Tanyong. Yes, brother. Tanyong. Sobra po akong natuwa nung nakita ko yung kambal ni Tanner.
Yung una kong napansin, kuya, is yung foam sa ilalim ng sapatos ni Tanyong.
Nainggit po ako sa sapatos niya.
Can you speak Tagalog? Can you speak Tagalog?
Model ka? Yes.
Oh, I can't tell the difference between Tanner and Tanyong. Really. They look exactly the same, and they dance the same.
Marunong pang mag-hashtag. Yun po talaga, yung deal breaker.
Nakita ko si Kuya Omer, si Maymay, parang umiiyak na sa saya.
So, Daniel, do you work out?
Konti.
Treadmill nga?
No! Treadmill.
Sobrang gwapo po ni Tanyong. Na-starstruck kaming lahat magaling.
Brother, tissue.
You get tissue for me at Mano.
Nice picture.
Ngayon, na-impress ako kay Tanyong, kuya. Kasi inuutosan lang niya si Tanner eh.
Tanner first!
He first. Him first.
Bye-bye. Oh, go, Brian, go!
Ay, kuya. Nakita namin lahat ang abs niya. Pinakita po niya sa amin twice po, kuya, yung abs niya. Ang gagandang abs.
So, yes.
Nagpakita
siya ng abs, puro buto nga eh.
Si Tanyong mukhang nagutom sa pagpapakitang gilas.
Where are you from?
His English wasn't as good as I thought it would be.
Where are you from?
Bye, kuya.
Pero kuya, ba't ganon? Di ba galing States yon si Tanyong? Pero parang hindi siya makapag-English. Ang laging ano niya, patay na.
Sina Baninay at Maymay kinausap ni Kuya tungkol sa mga bisita.
Anong masasabi mo sa kambal ni Tanner?
Yung ilong parehong-pareho. Oh my gosh, magka-abs pa sila.
Sinong mas gwapo?
Wait lang po. Yung isa po, yung makalaglag panty. Yung isa, nakakaihi sa panty.
Para sa akin, final talaga ito ha. Si Tanyong.
Yung abs niya, kuya, yung sarap. Palaman na lang, kuya, ang kulang.
Oo. Ab. Singular ba?
Hindi po, abs po, absent. May isa pa po ako, sir. A for B for big, and S for stomach. Abs is a big stomach.
Maninay, Maymay,